Get down!
No. Well, I bet you're wondering how I got here. Let's go back.
The roaring 20s were a time of innovation. From the aeroplane to the telephone. From the handheld fan to the mini-split. Ah, the mini-split. When it comes to Mr. Cool DIY, I can speak easy. It's easy to speak about because it's also easy to install without an expensive HVAC installer. Click the link. Strike up the band.
DIY books, please. Cool.
So then I tell him, that's not moonshine you just drank.
This is cool.
Quite literally. Thanks to Mr. Cool DIY Ductless Mini-Split.
Who'd have thought the hottest place in town would also be the coolest? But how?
I'll show you. You click the link, and I'll show Bobby Boy something here really cool.
Yeah, click it.
Throughout the decades, humanity has propelled us forward, but not by retreading the same old ground,
No, of course not.
but through innovation and applying a new method until we reach the top.
You just gave me goosebumps.
It connects to your wall inside and pipes outside to a condenser that brings in cool or warm air depending on your preferred temperature. The key word is ductless, meaning there's no expensive or messy ductwork, just a single line running from the condenser outside to the unit inside.
It's so beautiful. I just...
Oh, don't get too close. The Mr. Cool DIY Ductless Mini-Split. And the industry's best warranty, so you can feel calm and cool.
But wait, being cool is bad. What if we get caught?
You won't get caught. Because it's so easy to install the Mr. Cool DIY, you can do it.
Yourself?
You can do it in secret, so no one can find out.
Okay.
Look, Sweaty Bob, this is not your granddaddy's AC.
I didn't say it was.
This is the new DIY version to help keep all your guests their particular brand of cool.
I just phoned my cousin to meet us here because his old AC got busted.
Here, Cooligan, see? We're here for you. Fuzz! You'll never take me alive! Come and get me! Take me with you! Take me with you! What'd you do?
Stay cool! Excuse me, pardon me. Oh, nice shoes. Click the link now to get your Mr. Cool DIY today.
Could not be happier. It is, as advertised, extremely quiet and cool. Judy.
We need 6 stars for this one. Highly recommend this unit, product, and company. It is 6 degrees outside and Mr. Cool is still putting out heat. Love this thing.
Anyone who's anyone is getting one. So get on a good foot and click the link. It's the best kept secret in town. The hottest secret in town is the Mr. Cool DIY. But good luck keeping it to yourself.
Did you see me flying around earlier? It was fairly...
Yes, Sweaty Bob, it was cool. Click the link.